In the vast, unforgiving wild, nature's most dramatic showdowns unfold. Every day is a struggle for existence, where survival isn't just about strength, it's about strategy. Sometimes, it's not the predator you expect that turns the tide. Deep in the grasslands, a secretary bird stalks through the tall grass. Its long legs built for one purpose, the hunt. But today, its territory has been invaded. A pack of mongooses moves in, bold and unafraid. Watch as this secretary bird faces a fierce pack of mongooses. Tension is high. The bird spreads its wings wide, standing its ground, while the mongooses circle closer, sensing an opportunity. It's a battle of speed versus strategy. Who will back down? Neither side blinks. The mongooses inch forward, testing the bird's resolve, while the secretary bird holds its formidable stance. See the raw power of the secretary bird as it defends its territory. Unbelievable survival instincts. With one swift kick, the bird sends a warning, a display of strength that has intimidated far larger predators. But the mongooses are relentless. They regroup and counterattack. Undeterred, the pack splits up, attempting to flank the bird from multiple directions, refusing to give up so easily. Meanwhile, a different kind of danger lurks nearby. A cobra protecting its nest, hidden in the rocks. The cobra rises, hood flared, ready to defend what's hers at any cost. The mongoose doesn't hesitate. It's a high-stakes hunt for the ultimate prize. Every mongoose knows the risk. One wrong move against. A cobra's venom could be fatal, but hunger drives them forward. A coordinated assault. The mongooses work together against the deadly cobra. They dart in and out, testing the snake's reflexes, wearing down its defenses with relentless, calculated strikes. Speed, agility, and teamwork. Will the cobra survive this encounter? The cobra strikes back, quick as lightning, but the mongoose's natural resistance and lightning reflexes may be the deciding factor. In the end, only the fastest, the smartest, And the most determined will make it through this day in the wild. Nature at its most brutal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.